he is holding a adapter. Okay, this
Yes.
adapter is called as the alpha cords. These are like external Wi-Fi adapters. Okay, using
Mhm.
this adapter, I can able to create the fake Wi-Fi network on the same name. Let's say your home Wi-Fi router name is SSID name is mansion. Okay,
Yeah.
consider. Okay, now what I will do is like I will create the Wi-Fi fake SSID with the same name mansion. So if my signals were very strong, so what it will happen is like it will make the down of the original Wi-Fi and it will make the fake Wi-Fi to run whenever people will collect now. Whenever they give the usernames and passwords, everything will be stolen by using these adapters. Okay, Wi-Fi attacks. Okay, that is how I can steal your Wi-Fi password, and we can call this attack is as a evil twin attack.